supposed to get some bad storms and a tornado warning. Ooh. Is there a tornado around? Probably not. Yay, nay. Is this a tornado warning?
I imagine you picked up a tornado. This place.
Yeah. I don't like this storm. Want to get a picture taken with an alien?
Out here on the road, and our love takes center stage. Every single show, but lately you've been distant. And I don't know what for. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd.
How would you like your fudge sack today?
We'll get something.
We sell the by the square. It's about a quarter pound, so $4.50. Like to taste test any of them before you buy it?
Good, I'm not sure. I got a lot of flavors going on there. Dark chocolate caramel sea salt.
You want to try it?
I can try it, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with that one.
I'm gonna get some caramel in there for you.
Yeah, go get some ice cream.
We were made for each other to hold
And get
on
some
to.
chocolate chip. That's my favorite. How did you do?
Caramel something.
You enjoy it, huh? Different. He's gonna stick his head out of a zebra's butt or an elephant. Which one, hon? Giraffe? Okay, hold on.